Hello everyone, welcome to Holtek 2024 new product presentation. I'm Will, a sales guy in charge of South Korea. I'm glad to see everyone here. Today, my topic is battery management system. In this session, we have the two battery-related units, the battery charging and battery protection. Before I introduce the battery charging unit, I want to share the market information and the Holtek solution to everyone. Please look at this right side picture. This is the energy storage box market information. The entire market includes the home storage and the microgrid system. You can find the market from 2021 to 2026. It grows very quickly. So, Holtek is focused on this market and will release the energy storage system development platform. And this platform will include the full product, include the power inverter, solar and PPT charging, and the quick charging panel. About the BMS platform, after we update it, we will also add it to the new platform. And the next market information is for the 2 or 3-wheeled electrical vehicle market information. And you can see the picture from 2020 to 2030. The market grows very rapidly. Of course, Holtek also focuses on this market and will release many solutions for our customers to choose. Please look at the left side. We have the smart key, meter, central control, anti-theft alarm. In the power management, we have the battery management system and the charger motor control. Now, let me introduce the first unit, the battery charging. In this unit, we will divide it into AC charger and the DC charger. I will introduce the AC charger first. Holtek has been in AC charger field for more than 5 years, and we have many advantages. Please look at the left side. We can help the customer optimize the process on production line and increase the production capacity to create a win-win situation. And the second, we can provide high-precision battery control. It can let your charger adapt to the different various battery applications. We also provide a AC charger developed platform for customer to use. Now, let's talk about AC charger technology advantage. We have 5 points. The first one, we provide a communication encryption mechanism, such as CAN bus. And we also can support online update by CAN bus. After update your charger, it can adapt to the different various battery pack. We also provide a completed specification for customer to choose the entire series MCU. We also have the high precision voltage and the current charging control. About the AC charger and MCU function, let's look at the hardware first. We integrated the dual 14-bit DAC. It can work with the 12-bit ADC to manage the charging process. This product also can support the CAN bus control and online update. About customized charging, we can according the customer needs to provide different charging waveform. If your customer needs quick charging, we can reduce the trickle time and to meet their requirements. Customer also can use the program to identify the various saved battery pack. After update your charger, it can support the lead acid battery and the various lithium batteries. Compared with the common solution, Holtek solution can support the online update, CAN bus, and the 14-bit DAC. Now, I want to show this year's showcase product, the 2-wheel electric vehicle charger. It uses the HT45 FIQC-5. This product can support original battery identification to reach smart charging. And it also supports the online update for the battery pack database. Please look at the right side. We have 3 kinds of communication interface, including CAN bus RS485 and single interface frame. it can let your product comply with the GB 42296-2022 specification. And the next product is the power tool charger. It uses the HT45 F5Q-3. This product charger voltage accuracy can reach up to 1%. And due to this, MCU can continue monitor the battery temperature. And to avoid the overheating and manage the charging current. So you can find a right side picture. Here has the many features for your reference. Okay, compared with the traditional solution, Holtek solution can reduce the manpower on production line. The specialty is we can reduce the calibration time from 60 seconds to 8 seconds. After introducing the AC charger product, let's move on to the DC charger product. The DC charger product also has advantage of the optimized production line and the charging process control. Here is the DC charger technology advantage. Some of series MCU can support the skin contact detection and load control, and all of series MCU come with the automatic charging control. In DC charger MCU function, let's look at the hardware first. All series MCU can support the linear charger and input over voltage detection, potential, and customer can use the program to manage your charging process. And this MCU can, with the capacitive sensing, to support skin contact detection. About the optimized charging part, we can according the different temperature to set our charging current. It can set 100%, 75%, or 50 or else. Okay. And all of the all of the series MCU can support linear charger, and we have a function is the charging process control and the battery temperature monitoring. When your DC charger with the capacitive sensing, it can support skin contact detection. Such as a shaver product, it can automatically start and stop. When your shaver touch your cheek, it will turn on. When it leaves you, it will turn off. The next product is design win product. The electric toothbrush. It uses the HT45 R2130. Please look at the right side picture. Because this MCU has a high integration, including the battery charging and the battery power management, so it can reduce the customer PCB space. And this product comes with the power display, and it can support USB-C charging. And the next product is a shaver. As I mentioned, it uses the BS45 F2141. It also can reduce the customer PCB space, and it supports auto start and stop on skin contaction. Now, let's talk about AC charger MCU families. If a customer needs a high resource with the CAN bus, you can find the right side picture. The part number is HT45 F5QC-5 or -6. We also provide advantage of price OTP MCU for customer to choose. Let's look at the purple mark. The part number is HT45 R5 or 6Q-2 or -3. Now let's talk about the DC charger MCU. It will divide it into multi-stage control and a single-stage control. As you know, the multi-stage control MCU has the larger memory size. You can choose the part number is HT45 F2140. And the single-stage control MCU, you can choose the HT45 R2130. If customers product need to support the auto start and the start function, you can look at the right side. You can find the BS45 F2141 or R2141. Holtek has focused on AC and the DC charger market for many years. You can see the right side picture from 2020 to 2023. The total sales quantity is more than 130 kk. About customer service, we can provide customer the AC charger development platform. It can reduce the customer development time, and our engineer team can support our customer to check their hardware, include the circuit and the layout design. We also provide an AC charger calibration tool for customer to use. Now, let's move on to the next unit, the battery protection. Here is the BMS technology development. Please look at the left side first. It can cover all battery products from high to low series number, and all entire series product has the battery power calibration algorithm. It can greatly reduce the battery standby power consumption, and we can according customer product needs to provide different power of designs. We also have the development platform for customer to use. About BMS technology advantages, you can find 4 points. The first one, we can provide a customer the battery power calibration algorithm. We also have the high level of integration, include the gate driver and the external components. It can reduce the customer circuit cost. We have the completed security protection and high precision and low power consumption solution for customer to choose. About BMS, it will divide it into AFE and the NCU series. Let's look at the hardware first. Here you can find we integration many features. The first one is the battery voltage detection, and the second is the lithium battery charging or discharging current detection. We also integrated the passive balance switch. All of them can provide your product has the comprehensive protection. Customer also can use the battery balancing control to extend the battery life. And please look at the right side, we have the 3 kinds of interface available, including CAN bus, UART, and the I2C. Now, let's move on to the comprehensive protection. We will provide protect the battery first. Please look at the right side, we have the over or under voltage protection, high or low temperature detection. And for the cables in the battery pack, we can support the disconnection monitoring protection. Please look at the power components. If your charger is abnormal, the wire may be damaged or the interface is reversed, we can provide the overcurrent, short circuit, and charger reverse connection protection. Now let's move to the battery life not degrade. Let's look at the hardware first. All of BMS FE have the battery voltage detection and the passive balance switches. Customer also can use the battery balance control to keep the voltage difference of each battery within plus or minus 50 millivolts. It can prevent uneven the battery levels in the battery pack. In this page is talking about battery power and healthy monitoring. Holtek will provide us a battery power calibration model for customer to use. And when you use it, you will know the battery power. There will be a rolling colorimeter to support self-calibration. And please look at the right side picture. This product can display the battery SOH, state of health, and the battery SOC, state of charger. If the battery SOH is low, it will notify the user to replace the battery. About BMS LV self-detect reset, you can find a picture. All of series MCU can support the I2C communication interface. When the communication continuous fails, we have the 2 layers protection mechanism. The first one is we will detect whether the entire package is valid. If not, we will drop it and wait for correct packet after around 64 millisecond watchdog timer, WDT. And the second, if the main control MCU continue fail, we have the longer WDT mechanism. If there no correct packet, after waiting at 16, 32, or 64 watchdog timer, 64 seconds, sorry, it will restart the system power. Later, your main control MCU return to normal. Now, I want to share this design win case. The product is handheld wireless vacuum cleaner. It uses HT45 FA750. Please look at the right side. This product internal battery balance control. It can increase your product usage time, and it also supports a high or low side gate driver to drive our charging and discharging switch. It can control vacuum motor and flow brush motor. Consider this product feature. We also support zero standby power consumption. It can let your product no power loss for long standby time. Compared with the market solution, Holtek solution standby current can reach up to 0.1 microamp, and we can support a high voltage wake up and a high side gate driver. From this page, I want to share many solution and many Holtek solution and Holtek product for you. The first one is a 600 watt energy storage box. It uses the HT45 FA762. Because this MCU has the rich resource for customer to design many functions. For example, the product can use the current load condition to calculate the battery life, and it also can notify the user to replace the battery. The next product is the electric gardening scissor. It uses the HT7Q2651. Consider this product needs a torque and driving force, so it can support up to 13 battery cells. Please look at the right side feature. The product has the high voltage wake up. It can support 70 luck for mistouch protection. It also has the zero standby power consumption. The specialty is the BMS FE safety test reset. This feature can improve your product reliability. The next product is the two-wheeled electric bicycle. It uses the HT7Q2752. Consider this product needs a higher battery life and torque. So we increase the battery cell from 13 to 16. Please look at the right side picture here. It also has a high voltage wake up and BMS FE safety test rest. The specialty is the discharging short circuit protection. It also can improve our product reliability. Now, we update the product from bicycle to two- or three-wheeled electric motorcycle. Consider this product needs a high torque and battery life, so you can choose the HT7Q2952, and our battery cells will increase to 24. And you can find the right side picture here. If you want to, you can find the latest feature is similar to the bicycle, and you want to related the product, you can consider our HT32-bit MCU, such as the safety monitoring and motor drive. Now, I want to share the BMS FE and MCU family series product. If a customer don't know how to choose our product, you can look at the left side. You can according to the different product to choose, and you also can according your product battery cells to choose our product. In this page, the purple marker is new release IC. It includes the HT7Q2952, 2752, and 2651. Here is the customer service. Our engineering team can support our customer hardware check, include the circuit and layout design. They also can provide a solution development assistance. We also have the BMS development platform for customer to use. Now, let's move on to the next section, the power management. In this section, we have two related products I want to introduce. The first one is low standby power consumption, which can provide less carbon emissions. And the second is a high efficiency conversion product. Let's look at the low standby power regulator. It will divide into DC to DC and LDO series. We can look at the left side first. The DC to DC standby current can reach up to 100 microamp, and the LDO can reach up to 5 microamp. And you can, according to the different input voltage, to choose our product. Here are 8, 20, and 30 volt. And you can find the yellow mark. This is our new release IC HT78R series. The next page is talking about high efficiency voltage converters. Here are DC to DC and AC to DC. Please also look at the left side. The DC to DC conversion efficiency can reach up to 95% or more. The AC to DC can reach up to 90%. And look at the yellow mark is our new release IC HT74436. Now I want to show the new product, the low dropout LDO. It uses the HT78R series. First look at the left side specification. This product operating voltage can reach up to 20 volt, and the current is to 500 microamp. The product output voltage accuracy can reach up to 2%, and this product can suitable for the smart home and the electronic scales. Let's look at the right side picture. You can find the output voltage. The new release IC can cover all past the LDO series IC. And the next product is synchronous step-down DC to DC converter. It uses the HT74436. The specification, please look at the left side. You can find the operating voltage reach up to 42 volt. And this product integrated diode. It can reduce the customer components cost. And here is the feature, the low dropout operation. It let your product can suitable for smart meter and electronic locks. Please look at the right side picture. You can find the new release IC HT74436. Input and output voltage can reach up 42 volt. And here is this year's showcase product, the 200 watt LED dimming bulb. It uses HT45R5530. This product can adapt to the different triac dimmer features. The triac means the trailed AC semiconductor switches. And this product can support the LEDs with different brightness design. Please look at the center. The part number is HT45R5530. This is the HT 8-bit OTP MCU, and it comes with active freewheeling. Now, move to the customer service. We can provide our customer the hardware design. We also can provide a system board and a transformer design tool for customer to use. Above is my presentation. Thank you for your joining. I'm Will. See you next year.